This set of PVG valves drive the cams on the boxes that control the gate opening. The back one's the back hopper, and the front one's the front hopper. Back hopper is going to be the right side, front hopper is going to be the left side. If you need to override these, there is on the bottom a 9mm wrench you can put on here and stroke it manually in and out. You would have to unplug. This is the computer driving the cams, but you can stroke it manually and get it to a manual position opening. If you had a computer issue, you can still chip in manual. Over next to here, these are our Sonar. It's an eye that's looking inside of the front hopper to see how much gravel rock is in there. And from time to time you need to take a clean rag and wipe the eye, because it'll get built up with dust and get a false reading. And you can adjust these to look straight down or to look out far. So if you're not getting material where you want it in the box, you can adjust those sonars to where it's looking at what you want it to look at.